Hey guys. Queer. Anyways, queer. We got a intake and we're gonna be putting it on for Kenny. This is Kenny, by the way. He drives a 2018 Nissan Corolla. Whoops.
Toyota Camry.
He drives a 2018 Toyota Camry.
Used to be Nissan.
Yeah, he used to be a Maxima guy, but now he got a Camry. So it's a 3.5 V6, and it's basically a cold air intake. Not really. It's still short. It's still short, but it has like a shield to block off the heat much as it can. But I'm not really a fan of those. I usually like the intakes that go down to the fender. We're gonna start taking it off. So start off taking off the mass airflow sensor, and everything should just pull out, and the clamps, or there's another clamp over there to hold off. And of course, you don't have to take this part off. You can just leave it on. But yeah.
Hell yeah. Got all the stuff here.
Pretty ass intake. Yeah, I'm looking through the instructions first, then after I take off the box. So here we go, taking off the box.
You say so.
Alright, I don't know it's here, but pull this one off. Good, and we can move this, push this pin. If I can get it off, but anyways, I screw this. Now I can take this off. Careful with it, sit it somewhere safe, and move this whole bracket line off the intake box and have it sit on the side over here. There's a clip here on the side of the box. You just push down and pull it out. Now we got the mass airflow sensor line to the side, and now you can lose this thing off. So these are two 10 mils. This one up here is two 10 mils. Now we get it off. My intake's already about to come off. Pulls out. Now we could pull it off from the bottom. The bottom shouldn't have a clip. Or you could take off the top piece of the intake first. There's two clips. 1, 2. Pulls it off. Like that. Simple as that. See how clean this filter is. Pretty clean. Even though you got real bad. And it's pull up because it's just 4x10. I suppose. Yep. Now I'll get that 10 mil up there. Alright, that should be loose. Now this part I can get my hand pulled and pull this one off there. And now intake's already coming off. So this is the one that's bracket. Pull that, but don't disconnect this part, this whole rubber hose. Move out of the way. Just grab the bottom of this. Should slip out just like that. In and out just like that. Now we need to get this plastic piece off. There are 4 tabs, 2 right here, or 5. 1 right there. So these should be able to just slide under. I'll take that back. Oh boy. Bad, there are push-ins. So basically push, push, and push, and comes off like that. Oh, hold on, that for me. Thank you, cutie. Yeah, launch one somewhere. No, both ones are on there. Okay. Cool. Got it? Yeah. Okay, cool. And the reason why we need to take this off because we need this bolt, and we're gonna mount it to the heat shield, and it's gonna bolt to here, and the other part is gonna bolt to this part, and after that it should be good. So this bottom piece will slip into the air duct, slip in here, and it should be flush. Then we also put the tabs to put in the little slot and grooves right here, like this one, and it should fit well, and we'll see. We'll put it in first.
I'm gonna find that cane in.
Slips.
Let's go with just like the warning
Spots in the grooves, and put the 10 mil back under this. And now we're just gonna put the intake in. Okay, basically we are done. Everyone else is just putting the front little thing on.
I'm fucking
struggling, but anyhow, let me explain this. So
Oh, okay.
This part goes back to over here. After we slide this part, I only tightened the first clamp, but not the second one, so we could get the intake to move or wiggle around to put this coupler on the heat shield. Then of course we tightened them, and the big filter has an intake of its own and like a big ass clamp, so we just clamp it on, has a lip for it. And don't forget to plug in the little vacuum line underneath, has an adapter for it. You can see little black piece.
I don't know. I think that was supposed to go under.
Yeah, you can see it now.
What? Are we talking about this?
Yeah.
No, you can.
Alright. And now we're about to start it up and hear what the car sounds like and go for a pull and see if it's faster or not. Start it, fool.
Start it?
Yeah. Unless you don't.
It's like.
It's like.
It just.
Is the car cool or down or what?
It's pretty warm.
Pretty warm? Okay. How's the idle? Is it still at the same? We'll check the idle real quick.
It's not even just a minute, but it'll shut down pretty quick.
Okay. Let me know when it drops down. If not, it might be a leak somewhere. Oh yeah, it does have exhaust. Muffler. Is it below like normal? Okay. Alright. Let's hear it. Get low. You just blip it. Just yeah, like that. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go, let's go. Don't fucking floor in my neighborhood.
No, I'm actually witty talking.
Alright, cool. I'm recording down.
Be slow. I can feel my car.
Damn, we're in Mexico City, bro.
With 5 people, that's not bad.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, it actually feels different.
That's what I'm saying. It moved.
I always drive it.
It still pulls like that. What the heck?
Dude. Oh, Kenny. Ah, fuck.
I know it's just a cold air intake, but that
No,
Dude,
it feels different.
It feels more torquey.
It feels lighter to the pedal, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, shit.
with 5 people, that's impressive.
He said, what's up? He literally said, what's up?
With 5 people, that's crazy, bro.
It feels way lighter to the pedal.
He nodded at me.
Wait, where are we going?
I don't know.
Gas station.
Oh, gas station. There's always a cop up here, so I'm gonna try to.
Yeah, that's where you got pulled over, bro.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
The car's so heavy.
Oh, shit. You better do a 20 roll.
25.
Okay, 25 roll.
Traction control on?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Turn it off.
Damn, that's fucking loud.
Okay, so then you scared the fuck out of me.
Bro, you should see how I drive.
You drive like
Osmar would know.
you drive bad. It kind of scares me.
I'm a safe driver.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I want to try to show y'all something. It like.
Bro,
Wait, what the fuck? Hey, show us what?
Famous last words.
It like. Oh, it didn't work.
Oh.
Cause like when it hits the railing ring, it's like, and then it fucking goes.
Oh.
Popo.
You on the right lane, fool.
Kenny. They're distracted, Kenny.
Yeah, I thought the Ultima was like, oh, what's up? Go. God, that's so fast.
Oh, it's not, your car is faster.
My car's slow, bro.
This many people in it, that's crazy.
I know, it's fucking fast, bro.
Just put Arnold, get 5 people in Arnold's car.
Alright, we're running it tonight, right?
Yeah, I'm losing.
Yeah.
Wait, that might be a good race.